Good afternoon and welcome back to Auto Assets. My name is Zach, and here with us today is a 2018 Audi RS3. This is finished in Daytona gray pearl effect. Power comes from a turbocharged 2.5 liter 5-cylinder engine. With a 7-speed automatic transmission. 19-inch 5-spoke wheels. Got a partial front paint protection film applied here. Front and rear park assist with backup camera. Up here at the driver front wheel, as you can see, great shape, no curb rash, a few little light scratches there on the inside of the spokes. Brake calipers are in black, they look great. Tinted windows. Back here at the driver rear, pretty good shape. Again, some light scratches there. And a few on the spokes here and there. Dual exhaust with black powder coated tips. This is equipped with the sport exhaust. And back here at the passenger rear wheel, pretty good shape. A little bit of damage there on the lip. Looks more like a clear coat issue to me, but there are a few other light scratches to accompany it. .35/35/19 Pirelli P0 all-season tires. And finally up here at the passenger front, again a little possible deterioration to the clear coat. Doesn't look like curb rash, but a couple imperfections there on the wheels. We'll take you to the interior. Black leather interior. Suede door trim inserts. Bang & Olufsen premium sound system. All-weather floor mats. Diamond pattern stitching. Power folding and heated exterior mirrors. Manually adjustable driver and passenger seat. More of that diamond pattern stitching on the sport seats up front. Audi MMI navigation. It's also equipped with Apple CarPlay. Got 3-stage heated front seats. And dual zone climate control. Got some more of that Alcantara or Suede there on the gear selector. And some more on the multifunction steering wheel, flat bottom steering wheel. And current mileage 55,009. Alright folks, if you have any questions about this vehicle, don't hesitate to give us a call. 614-793-1050. Tons of photos will be added to our website. You can check those out at autoassets.com.